Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today talking about the representation of root 19 on number line. So today representing root 19 on number line. So before starting the video, I have one request to you. Please subscribe channel and press the bell icon for future video notification. Okay, so first of all, drawing the number line. So first drawing a line of any length and mark the ends with arrows, and this is the starting number 0 and written by O. Okay, next write down all the number on the line. So by taking any length by compass and mark the lines by this way, and we assume that this length is unit length. That's mean 1 unit length. Okay, so here marking the numbers on the line by this way. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this side -1 and -2 and so on. Okay, next first of all having to construct a root 18. So roughly discussing the concept of a root 18. If there is a right angle triangle with base 3 unit and height 3 unit, then hypotenuse equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, base square root over base square plus height square. So after calculation, this is root 18. Okay, now I'm going to apply this concept on 3. Okay, so this is taking B point. Now first constructing a root 18 on 3. Okay, so first drawing a 90-degree angle on the point 3 or B. So first constructing a 90-degree on the point 3. Okay, next joining this to get 90-degree. So we got a 90-degree here. Next taking length between any two number and putting the compass here and cut the line up to 3 times. Okay, next this is C point. Now joining O and C. So this is 3 unit length and this is 3 unit length. Okay, so by beside picture, so this is root 18. Okay, next having to construct root 19 now. So first drawing a arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and drawing a arc. So here first constructing a 90-degree angle on the point C. So first having to construct 90-degree angle on the point C. So joining this, so we got a 90-degree angle on the point C. Next taking length between any two number and putting the compass here and cut here. Okay, and this is D point and this is 1 unit length. Next joining O and D. So OCD is a right angle triangle. So roughly calculating the hypotenuse OD. So if a right angle triangle with base root 18 and height 1, then by Pythagoras theorem, so this is root 19. Okay, so this is root 19. Next having to draw a arc. So first taking the length OD by compass and drawing an arc which cut the number line at a point. This is P and this is the representation of a root 19 on number line. So therefore OD equal to OP equal to root 19. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment on my video.